Have you ever been enjoying a beautiful summer day outdoors, only to have it ruined by pesky flies and mosquitoes buzzing around you? It can be incredibly frustrating trying to relax or have a meal outside when these insects won't leave you alone. But fear not, there is a simple and all-natural solution to ward off these bothersome bugs. One effective way to keep flies and mosquitoes at bay is by using a homemade repellent made from natural ingredients. Not only is this method safe for you and the environment, but it's also easy to make and can be customized to suit your preferences. To create your own all-natural bug repellent, you will need a few key ingredients. Start by gathering some fresh herbs such as mint, basil, and lavender. These herbs not only smell great but also have natural insect repelling properties. You will also need some essential oils, such as citronella, eucalyptus, or lemongrass, which are known for their bug-repelling abilities. To make the repellent, simply chop up the fresh herbs and place them in a glass jar. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oils to the herbs and mix well. Next, cover the herbs and oils with water and let the mixture sit for at least 24 hours to allow the scents to infuse. Once the mixture has had time to steep, strain out the herbs and transfer the liquid to a spray bottle. This homemade bug repellent can be sprayed onto your skin, clothing, or outdoor furniture to keep flies and mosquitoes away. You can also use it as a room spray to keep bugs out of your home. Not only is this all-natural bug repellent effective, but it also smells wonderful and is free of harsh chemicals. Plus, you can easily customize the recipe by adding different herbs or essential oils to suit your preferences. So next time you're planning a picnic, barbecue, or outdoor gathering, be sure to whip up a batch of this homemade bug repellent to keep those pesky flies and mosquitoes at bay. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, you can enjoy a bug-free outdoor experience without the need for harmful chemicals. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your outdoor enjoyment.